guys. Oh, voice crack. Haha. Where in the hell am I? I don't actually know where I am. Hey guys, what's going on? Just going for a beautiful ride, as you can see, or as you can't. This weather is absolutely lovely today, out of the ordinarily lovely, so we're going to be taking advantage. Nobody knows how to frickin' use this fucking road! This was a poor decision. Holy crap. This was supposed to be a shortcut. I've been here for like 5 minutes.
I feel like my face is getting a sunburn. Holy. Yeah, I see you staring at me in that rear view mirror. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Haha. Can't hide.
Giving them little kitties a little rev. Get a nice smile on their face. Because when I was a kid, and people did that to me, that's the reason I have a bike right now. Gotta inspire the riding community to ride. The riding community who's not yet a riding community, but one day will be a riding community, if you follow. That was close. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What the... It's because they're driving on the other side of the road, these people, because they're impatient. Holy shit, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? Everybody's turning. What in the hell? Oh my god, look at this dog. Ready? Look at this guy. Yeah. Loving it. Loving it. I find the elder woman population typically doesn't like my bike because it's kind of loud and I always get dirty looks. Signal, okay? Nope, no signal. That's okay. Let's go this way. I need to go this way. I need to go this way. I need to go this way. Oh. Not in gear. Yeah, my signal's on. You see that shit? I'm gonna wait for a little gap here. That's peculiar. Look at how many cars are in front of me. And there's nobody behind me. Very strange. Very, very strange. Okay. Okay, let's not put my foot down. Come on, not put my... Oh, I lost the game. Lost pretty fast, actually. That was fun. Look at that. 4,800 clickety clicks. Alright. Alright. Alright, 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 alright. What the? Nobody wants to follow me. Look at this. Not one person coming behind me. That's twice. Busy ass road. Nobody wants to be behind me. Ooh, JDM Subaru. I was a woman driving it, and she was young and not terribly looking. Sorry, honey, but yeah, I just acknowledged that she was good looking and driving a sick as fuck JDM Subaru WRX STI. Loving it. What the fuck are you doing? There's nobody in front of you. I will fucking pass you in like 2 seconds. What the fuck are you doing? You can fucking turn. What in the... Okay. Man, what in the fuck are you doing? Holy shit! Ah! Feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me. So, yeah. Peace.